He's a World of Warcraft player just like you. He'd like to master every aspect of the game, but his time is limited juggling work, friends, and family. With all of that, he struggles to level his characters, complete dailies, level professions, earn achievements, make gold, and unlock rare items. Bob was spending too much time trying to advance in the game, but didn't have much to show for it. Trying to find help, Bob visited his local game store, but all he could find were guides he had to read outside of the game that were not much help and would quickly become outdated every time the game was changed. Bob wished there was a better and more reliable help for all the things he wanted to do in World of Warcraft. That's when his buddy Keith told Bob about Zygor Guides, the best World of Warcraft guides on the market. They offer in-game guides that are constantly kept up to date whenever there are changes made to the game. That included guides for leveling, dailies, events, professions, achievements, pets and mounts, reputation, titles, and macros. He can even get both Alliance and Horde versions. Also, he would never have to pay extra for patch updates, new features, or zone revisions. And Bob could easily upgrade his guides for a small fee anytime there was a World of Warcraft expansion. Bob signed up at once, and overnight he went from being a total noob to playing like a pro. His friends and guildmates were also impressed with his in-game accomplishments that they asked him, "How do you level your character so fast? How do you make so much gold? How did you get so many achievements and cool rare items? Come on, Bob, you have to tell us. What is your secret?" Bob smiled and proudly said, "Zygor." Not only did Bob become the World of Warcraft player he always dreamed of being, but he was spending less time researching and running around lost in the game, and had more time to do the things that he really enjoyed. Sign up to Zygor Guides today. We offer a risk-free trial so you can see if Zygor is right for you. Let Zygor be your guide.